Hi, do you have any of these plastic containers like from those peanuts or from a peanut butter jar or even a McDonald's plastic cup? Well, you can repurpose those as planters for your propagation. The advantages are they're spill proof, they're pet friendly, they're humidity controlled, and here I'm demonstrating that you can take lavender seedlings that I started off with, and I'm putting them into the lid. Once you've put them all into the lid, take the base, spritz it a little bit first. Screw the base back on, and voila. You've got yourself a nice little planter for your propagating plants. And here I started some in little pots, and now I'm going to put them into these plastic jar containers so they're a little more rugged. And you can see now I've got them stackable. Thanks for watching.